Hello friends, we are here today with a very exciting new product by a company called Battery. Now Battery is an electric scooter manufacturing company which has just gotten into the electric vehicle supply equipment or EVSE foray. This is their electric vehicle supply equipment, which is a very simple device. It's a 15 ampere socket with an intelligent chip built in, so it allows you to charge using just a QR code scanner. Now let's quickly go through the specifications and the features of this charger. So first off, this is a very simple equipment. It's a small little piece which has a 15 ampere socket and an MCB for safety. It also has some intelligence built in, so it can communicate with your phone via Bluetooth, and it has a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi also built into it. Now what this does is, it's installed by any EV owner, by any person interested in setting up a charge point, and it's very cost effective. It does not require a person to man it or to even maintain it. The person who wants to charge comes, scans the QR code and chooses the duration for which they want to charge. They plug in their vehicle, the mobile app enables the charging to happen, and when the time is over, it stops charging. So that's how simple it really is to use this battery recharge electric vehicle supply equipment. So this battery device can be accessed and controlled using the Battery app, which is available on the Google Play Store. Right now it's only available for Android, and they've said that very soon they'll be coming out with an iOS version. This is a one-point app, so any of the IoT enabled vehicles from Battery and these IoT enabled charge points can also be accessed using the Battery app. In the coming future, they are also going to get into rental services, and though at that point in time, those will also be available using the same app. So along with your Battery recharge EVSE, you also get a handy signage. This will help you advertise and let people know that there is this recharge point and what are the basic features of it. That you've got a mobile app, you can locate the station on your map, that you can scan a QR code and pay for it using UPI. The signage is backlit. It has LED lights inside, which is connected to a 2-pin plug, an ordinary 2-pin plug, which you will just need to connect to a socket. This setup, the Battery IoT EVSE along with the signage, will cost you only Rs 3000, which is inclusive of all taxes. So let's take a look at charging the four-wheeler using the Battery EVSE. So first of all, we open up the app. Now that the app is open, we go to the charge destination thing, and you have a charge option there. We click on the charge option. It shows us the chargers. We choose the charger that we want to charge on, and we go to the scan QR code over there. Once we've done that, it gives us a QR code scanner, which we can go and easily scan the QR code on the back of the EVSE or on the front panel of the EVSE. That done, it quickly shows us the name of the charger, and it tells us that we are charging for 15 minutes. Now the lights are glowing white, which means that the charger is ready to accept charging. We say start charging and book this session. It's gone ahead and it's booked the charger, and the lights have turned to a blue blinking light, which means that this charger is now occupied and we are charging using it. Now we go ahead and say start charging, and our time has started. So we start charging and the lights have started glowing green. This is an indication that there is current flowing and that the vehicle that we want is charging from this charger. The timer has started and our session is in progress. You can see from here that the car charger is saying that there's a green light, which means that it's charging. Once your charge is complete, you come back here and you stop charging. Then you end the booking. So it will ask you whether you want to end the booking or not, and you say yes. The moment you say that, the booking is complete, the money is withdrawn from your bank account and transferred directly to the Charge EVSE's owner's bank account via UPI payment system. So we are here now to charge the battery LOEV, which is a very good two-wheeler by battery with the battery recharge station. So as you can see, the recharge station is already enabled. This is the way most users will find it, with the white lights coming on. It shows blue through the panel over here, and we just connected our scooter to the charge port. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to use my mobile phone to authenticate this charger. So here's my mobile phone, and then there's a QR code scanner. Having done this, it will tell you the details of the charge point, its address, and how much time you want to charge for. So choose the duration and go ahead to pay the charger. So this money will go via UPI to the charge point owner. And once the payment has been successful, it will enable you to charge the vehicle. So there it goes. This is processing the payment now, and upon successful processing of payment, it will allow you to start your session. This is authenticated. You can go ahead and charge your vehicle. You go to the charging section, you click on charge here, and it shows you the chargers nearby. You choose the charger that you want to charge and scan this QR code. So here we go, we scan the QR code over here. There, it's picked up the QR code and it shows this particular charger. It shows that we have a 1 hour 30 minute time slot to charge, and we can say start charging. So the moment we say start charging, it locates the charger and it gives us the ready icon. At this point, we can say start charging. The light goes green, indicating that the power is flowing, and you can see the mobile phone is also charging. It shows us that there is some charge happening. So the charger is on and it's working. So there are a couple of safety features that this EVSE has. First of all, it's got earthing, so that your 3-pin plugs are well protected, and it has an MCB, so that if there is a short circuit, if there is an overcurrent, it will trip and stop the current from going to your vehicle. So coming back to the pros and cons of the device, there are a couple of things which you should be mindful of. This device is not entirely waterproof, so if you are putting it on an outside location, you will need some more waterproofing. There is a little bit of security issue where someone might just cut the wire and take electricity, but that's something that you will find wherever you go in India, and this is something that we need to protect against. Having said that, there are many pros to this device. It's small, it's compact, it's very cost effective, it does not have to have an attendant taking care of it, and the payment is completely cashless. So it's easy to use. The app also lets you see where all the other chargers are. So along with the ecosystem of, say, the battery app and the battery scooters, this is a very effective solution.